Hi everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. My name is Basir and today I want to take you to road number 3 in Port Union DriveTest Center. I park my car in reverse when the examiner is asking you go to the right. Put the signal, shift the gear to the right, check all around and smoothly come. Check left because it is one-way drive. Most of the time check the left. Make sure here is very busy. A lot of people, they are coming to the road test. It is one way and it is quite tight street or quite tight out back of the plaza. So here I don't need to stop. Here it says don't stop. So here I need to check the mirror, put the signal to the right, blind spot. Here we are going to the right. Again, from this stop sign we are going to the right, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot to the right. Come to the complete stop, check left, right, that car can be for me. So he is going other side, I can go to the right. Speed is 40, try to go to 37, 38, 39. Any streets is coming, try to check that street. In 4G road test route, checking is very important. So he might ask you make a lane change to the left. If he is taking to the other way, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the left. Once 4 will come, turn off your signal. Here come to the complete stop, check left, right, who come first. Here from the traffic light he will ask you to the left. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Whenever you're stopping, check left, right, rear view mirror. So we got arrow, so I need to go to the second line or at the middle because I was at the second line. Once you come here, speed up and check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right lane. Turn off the signal. Again, he is asking you traffic light right turn, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blinds. From this broken bike line, we can go to the right. The light is red. So I need to come to the complete stop. So I need to come to the complete stop again. Check. Other cars are left turning, so I need to wait for them. This is very important. So now I can go. Even I got green light, I need to check my blind spot. So right line is exiting here. We are going to the 401 east. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Once you arrive here, turn off your signal. Once this yellow line finish, I need to check the mirrors, put the signal to the left. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and speed. Now my speed is 100. I must check blind spot and move. This line also ending, I need to make another lane change, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the left. Here is a little bit downhill. Make sure your speed is not over the 100. He might ask you a couple of times, lane change, do it that. So I'm doing, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the left. Once four wheel completely come, turn off your signal. If he is asking you, go back to the right, so go back, otherwise stay here. He will ask you, make a lane change to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right. Don't decrease your speed. Speed is 100. Maintain the gap between two cars. Once you approach here, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Even if he's asked you go to the right, go to the right, otherwise stay here. Once you arrive here, you need to turn off your signal and off the gas. I'm going to the right because it will be easier for me to go back to the freeway. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. The car is in my blind spot. I let him pass. Now I can go. Here, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot to the left. Oh, I came at the middle and it changed to amber, so that's not something bad. I was at the middle. So check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right. Turn off signal, again check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Here we are taking back 401 west. The recommended speed is 40. It's so curved, I cannot go over 40. Once this yellow line finish, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Push the gas, I need to join, check the mirror, blind spot again, smoothly join. He might ask a couple of times, lane change again, I'm doing that. Check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the left and stay here. Every 5 seconds, check the rear view mirror. So here he might ask you, make a lane change to the left. I will do that. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Car is in my blind spot. I will go a little bit faster. It is now, I have enough gap. Turn off signal. Once four wheel come completely to the lane, then you need to turn off signal. So now my speed is 77. I cannot go over this. From here we are going to the right. From here we are going to the right. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. don't lose your speed. Go based on traffic flow. Put the signal, check the mirrors, turn off signal. Here we are again need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right, turn off signal, again check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right. Stay on this line, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, stay on this lane. We did too many lane change to the right. Second lane to second lane, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right. An intersection is coming, check the rear view mirror and scan the intersection. From traffic light we are going to the right. So from here we need to check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. Watch for the pedestrians. If pedestrians are walking, just make sure you are not going on that. So check the blind spot, come to the right. Once you come to the right, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot to the left because fire truck stopped here. So make sure don't block this small intersection. So here, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. We are going to the left. When I see blind spot, if you are going to the right, blind spot to the right, blind. If I say blind spot, if you are going to the left, you blind spot to the left. You don't need to check both blind spot at the same time. Here, just make sure who come first, who go first, and also for the pedestrians. So I saw 1, 2, 3, 4 cars come before me. I need to wait for all of them. Now it is my turn, but the other car. So here we need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the complete stop. It is first come first serve. It doesn't say always, but it's always. Just watch for the pedestrian. Any cars are coming. we come back to the drive test center. Here they are asking you front parking, so you need to do that. I'm doing front parking in the number 1. Check. Back parking, sorry. Thank you so much for watching.